Welcome to my emote combo display demo. This is a Twitch widget that I developed at the request of another streamer, and basically the premise is when an emote is used in Twitch chat frequently, they wanted the emote to display on screen and to play a sound during the time that the emote is displayed on screen. The purpose is to uh, have it used even more to get more people chatting and more people having fun. So I think it's a cool little widget for Twitch. The programming languages used are just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It doesn't have a backend, it doesn't need one, and it's a relatively simple widget compared to some of the other widgets that I've made. The emote-combo-display is pretty simple. I have my Twitch chat room here on the left side, and it's connected through Twitch IRC, and it uses an OAuth password that is generated by Twitch that you can get. And so you can connect it to any chat room so long as you have the OAuth password to that chat room. And then what it does is it just listens to any of the chat messages and gets any of the messages and figures out whether or not an emote is used in that message. And so I have an emote set, a combo set for the emote clap. So whenever this word is used in the chat room, then a combo number goes up, and I have a target combo of 2. Normally you would need unique users to use the combo, but for testing purposes I'll allow myself to put duplicate messages and for it to work just with me. And you can also set a time window for how long you want to be able to work on a combo. So from the first message, you have, for instance, 35 seconds for your target combo to hit. And then once a combo is hit, you can also set a cooldown in seconds for how long you want to wait before another combo can happen. This way there's not just sounds and emotes showing up on screen all the time. Having a cooldown is pretty nice. So I have my target, the emote is clap, and then my target combo is 2. And then if I keep typing it, it's not going to show up again because we're in our cooldown. And that's pretty much it. It works with every extension. So it works with BetterTTV, it works with FrankerFaceZ. It uses your channel name that you have set up in the settings to determine what emotes you have access to on your channel, what you have added through BetterTwitch and through FrankerFaceZ. And then I also use twitchemotes.com for any of the Twitch global emotes as well. So currently I have adding emotes and combos through a JavaScript file. I wish I had a UI set up for this, but for now this is all I have. And maybe in the future I'll go back to it and have an easier way of managing combos and everything like that. But how it works today, we have an array called emotes, which stores a list of combos. It holds combos. And combos is a class I made for this that takes an array of emote codes. So this is the actual word we're looking for in the chat room. And then sounds. So these are the sounds that would be played when a combo hits. So if you wanted to add another combo with a different emote, you can do so. My emote, for example, if that's what the code is, and then in the sounds folder, maybe I have a sound called myemote.mp3. So now with this, we have 2 combos set up, one for clap that plays the clap sound, one for my emote, which plays the my emote sound. So while people are typing in the chat room, they're using different emotes. maybe the clap combo happens, maybe the emote combo happens, the my emote one, and yeah. Another thing that I added, so you may be wondering why I'm storing these in arrays, and that is because you can have multiple emotes work for the same combo. So in this example, we have clap and an emote clap2 that I have on my channel, and they would both work together to play the clap.mp3 sound. So if I reset the emote combo display on OBS and I type clap, remember our target is 2, so if I type clap2, there we go. And the way I have which one displayed is just whichever one completes the combo. So for instance, we have a target of 2. Whichever emote is used on the second iteration is the one that gets displayed. And then just like codes, we can have sounds. If I could type, I can't type. So I have a sound called bruh.mp3, which I'm sure you've heard if you've been on YouTube lately. And how this works is now when we hit our target of 2, one of these 2 sounds will be chosen at random. So you can have a list of sounds and they'll be chosen at random. So let's see if we're lucky and get the new sound. I will refresh. So we'll do clap 2 this time, and then we'll end with clap. Okay, not lucky. Just to avoid the cooldown, I'll refresh. And not lucky again. I'll try one more time.
Bruh.
There we go. Okay. So that's just an example of multiple emotes, multiple sounds, and multiple combos all in one. So here's the settings.js file that I've been referencing throughout the demo. So it's just a few variables here. One for the cooldown, so after a target or an emote combo is displayed, how long do we wait before another one can display? Then we have the time window to hit a target, and then our target combo itself. So we're looking for 2, we have 35 seconds to hit 2, and then once 35 seconds is up, we have a 30-second time window. And some details that the emote combo display will need is your channel, your Twitch channel, and then if you have a separate account for like a Twitch IRC bot, or if you want to use your main account to work as an IRC bot, this is where you would put that name in, and then the password, the OAuth password for Twitch IRC would need to come from whatever account this is. And then that's how the emote combo display would connect to IRC to read the messages, the Twitch IRC. And that's really it. There's no reason to look at these. It's just a nice conversion for anyone that's not programmer literate, I guess, where JavaScript uses milliseconds instead of seconds and all that. So that's really it. That's the emote combo display. I think it's a fun little widget that would make any channel slightly more interactive or funny depending on sounds and emotes that you choose. But yeah, it was fun to work on it, and I hope you enjoyed.